Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Take a tablespoon of flaxseed every day and you'll be amazed with what happens. What are flax seeds? Flax is a type of plant with beautiful blue flowers and fruit, which is what contains the seeds. There are two different types of seeds, brown and golden. Both have high amounts of omega-3s and are rich in protein and B vitamins. The only difference lies in the taste. Golden flax seeds tend to be smooth and nutty, whereas brown flax seeds have more earthy undertones but have a nutty taste to them, as well. Most people prefer golden to brown, but both are beneficial to your health. Health benefits of flax seeds. All about flax seeds according to WebMD. Flax seeds reduce your risk of heart disease, cancer and diabetes. They're full of fiber which can help constipation, and they can help lower cholesterol levels. Flax seeds contain high amounts of phytochemicals and antioxidants, which can help prevent breast cancer and menopause symptoms in women. Reduce your breast cancer risk. It's all in the magical nutrients called lignans. They're one of the richest sources of lignans available, possessing amazing healing powers. Researchers believe consuming flax seeds regularly can reduce your risk of breast cancer, endometrial and ovarian cancer, due to the three lignans found in flax seeds being converted by intestinal bacteria into enterolactone and enterodiol, which naturally helps to balance hormones. Absorb more nutrients from your food. Flax seeds are like nature's gum. They contain high levels of mucilage gum, which is amazing for your gut. It helps to keep food in the stomach longer, which can help increase nutrient absorption. Plus, the water-soluble gum helps to soothe the lining of the gut, remove toxins and eliminate waste. Keeps your cholesterol levels in check. Adding flax seeds to your meals can help keep you manage your cholesterol levels. The seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which helps to trap fat and cholesterol in your digestive system, and passes it through your system, instead of getting stuck where it shouldn't. Soluble fiber also traps bile, which is made from cholesterol in the gallbladder. When the bile gets trapped, it passes through the digestive system, so your body has to make more. This helps to use up excess cholesterol in the blood, lowering your levels. Help to manage female hormones. It's those lignans again. The fiber-related plant compounds not only give us a dose of antioxidants but also act as phytoestrogens. The balancing effect on female hormones suggests it may also be useful as an alternative to hormone replacement therapy due to their estrogenic properties. Plus, they can also help reduce the risk of osteoporosis.